Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in and sign in on Metro Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Metro Bank app on your phone. And tap on this option of I have a Metro Bank account. And then tap on I accept. Enter your customer number or your username that you have while you were registering for your account or create your account on bank itself. Tap on continue. You can tap on this option of forgotten your customer number or username. And then once you do that, it will simply ask you to verify by giving your number or your email. Enter either of the information. Get the passcode. Get the verification code. Provide it. Re-enter the information, tap on continue, and you will be done. So those are the steps you can do for you to simply register and the further process. And then once you have added the information as it asks right over here, you will be able to confirm it for your mobile banking service from Metro Bank itself, and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.